Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the fee structure for Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University, Pune. So I am Manikavel Armugam. I am the voice behind the Just Get MBBS YouTube channel. You can contact me on Twitter, Facebook, Gmail, or Telegram at the same user ID, Just Get MBBS. If you have not subscribed yet to this channel, I kindly request you to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I post new videos. So BV Deemed University or Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University, which is located at Pune, Maharashtra. This university was established in the year February 1989, and it was initially affiliated to the University of Pune till it became a constituent unit of Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University in April 1996. So this college is about 30 years old, and as a deemed university is already around 24 years as a deemed university. If you look at the number of seats available, there are about 150 seats, and all the 150 seats, the counseling is done by Medical Counseling Committee, that is MCC. So out of the 150 seats, 85% of the seats will go to general category or management category, while 15% of the seats will go to NRI category. Now, if we look at the fee structure in 2019, that is last year, the annual fee for the candidates was 18.43 lakhs, plus there was a 10% development fee. So if you include the development fee, the total cost last year based on last year admission was 20.27 lakhs per year. And if you look at the NRI candidates, the fees was 70,000 US dollars plus 1.12 lakh Indian rupees. So this was the fee structure charged in 2019. Now let us look at what is the fee structure or what is the proposed fee structure for 2020 admission. General category students, the fee structure is 19.35 lakhs per year. And on top of that, there is a 10% of the tuition fee, which will be charged as development fees. So in addition to the 19.35 lakhs, you need to add 10%. That comes to about 1.94 lakhs. So if you add these two together, the total cost comes to 21.29 lakhs. So this is the total fee you will be paying to the college per year, 21.29 lakhs. And then if you compare these fees with 2019, there is an increase of about 1,01,000 over last year candidates. And if you look at the NRI fees, the NRI fees is 73,500 US dollars per year plus 1.12 lakhs per year. So if you convert to today's currency rate, this comes up to close to about 55 lakhs per year. And this is an increase from last year. Last year it was 70,000 US dollars. Now it is an increase of 3,500 US dollars compared to last year. And please note, the fee structure will be revised upwards at 5% every year. So even though now it is 21.29 lakhs, next year you need to add 5%. So approximately about 1 lakh plus will be increasing. And then another year, there will be another 5% increase. And the next year will be another 5% increase. So accordingly, calculate the total cost of the course fees. Now let's look at the fee structure for the boys hostel. So this is a new boys hostel. If you look at the charges, the admission fees is 500 rupees, prospectus fees 500 rupees, hostel deposit 10,000 rupees. So these are the fees structure we will be paying at the time of admission, that is 11,000 rupees. But subsequently, that is every year, the regular recurring fees will be like 1,55,000 hostel fees and mess charges 50,000. So 2,05,000 will be recurring charges every year. So at the time of admission, you will be paying about 2,16,000 for hostel. So including the total fee structure, which is 21.3 lakhs, this is about 2 lakhs. So we are talking about 23.5 lakhs at the time of admission. Now let's look at the ladies hostel. This is the old ladies hostel. Admission fee is the same, 500 rupees. Prospectus fee 500 rupees. Hostel deposit 5,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees is one time charges, whereas the annual fees is hostel fee 60,000 and mess charges 37,500. So totally it comes to about 1,03,500 you need to pay at the time of admission. But they also have a new ladies hostel. So if you look at the new ladies hostel, there are a lot of options. You can take non-AC room or you can take an AC room. You can have single occupancy or double occupancy. So if you look at the admission fee, is same for any category, is 500 rupees. Prospectus fee 500 rupees. Miss charges 50,000. Hostel deposit 10,000. So this is common for all kind of accommodation you choose. So you have to pay 11,000, which is a one-time charge, but 50,000 the mess charges is every year. And then if you look at the hostel accommodation, if you are taking non-AC room single occupancy, you have to pay 3,05,000. So the total charges, if you are staying in non-AC room single occupancy, it will be 3,66,000 at the time of admission. If you take non-AC room but double occupancy, the hostel fees is 1,65,000 per year and the total cost comes to 2,26,000. If you opt for AC room, single occupancy, then the charges will be 3,55,000 per year and the total cost comes to 4,16,000. If you choose AC room with double occupancy, you will be paying 1,90,000 per year and the total cost comes to 2,51,000. So depending on which kind of accommodation you choose, the total cost of your admission will vary. So you select whichever the accommodation you want, add to that 21.3 lakhs, then that is what will be your total cost. I also want to do a quick comparison of the annual fees. So far, I have collected information. KMC, Manipal and Mangalore have increased the fees. The fee structure comes to 14.3 lakhs per year. PIMS Loni is about 14.5 lakhs. KS Hegde 15.35 lakhs. In couple of earlier videos, I have given these wrongly as 14.35. Subsequently, KS Hegde has revised these fees, so it's now 15.35 lakhs. Yenipoya 17.4 lakhs, but this is including hostel. So take that into account. So 17.4 lakhs is including hostel. So when you are comparing with other colleges, keep that in mind. BVDU Sangli 19.98 lakhs and then BVDU Pune 21.3 lakhs. So this is the comparison of the colleges for which the fee structure is known to me at this particular time. As I come to know the updates for other colleges, I will start posting videos. Thank you very much. I see you in some other videos soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.